We're here to talk about blizzards. Blizzards is a storm with considerable falling or throwing of snow. And to be considered a blizzard, it has to exceed 35 miles per hour and has to last as long as 3 hours. Blizzards are known as blizzards because in 1800 newspapers thought it sounded like a cannon shot or a volley of a musket fire. The rating system for blizzard, they use Northwest Snowfall Impact Scale, the NDSIS, and it's divided into 5 categories. First one being notable, that scales from 1 to 2.5. The second one being significant, that scales from 2.5 to 4. The third one being major, that scales from 4 to 6. The fourth one being crippling, that scales from 6 to 10. The fifth one being extreme, that's 10 and up.
Yeah. Let's see what's happening over here. Hey, non-survivor.
Oh, I'm sorry, I did not see you there. As you can see, I'm homeless. The wife left, she took the kids, tried to retire with $50. I guess you could say I hit rock bottom. But enough about me. It's time to talk about blizzards. Alright, from 1960 to 1994, the United States had an average of 9 blizzards a year, and in 1995, it doubled to an average of 19 blizzards a year. Luke, get your hands out of your pants. Since 1960, the U.S. had more than 700 blizzards, almost as many nonsensical phrases as Sarah Palin has said. Because of global warming, blizzards are forming more in the end of fall and all through winter, which is normal. But at the beginning of spring. What? Who said
Whoa!
That? Yeah.
Oh!
Blizzards occur mostly along the eastern seaboard of the United States. You guys wanna, there's a homeless man trying to talk.
Hey, this man fought in Nam, not for this,
Yeah, I didn't fight for you.
Yeah.
I fought for my wife who left me.
You white predecessors.
Alright, are you ready, Luke?
Okay.
To classify as a blizzard, the snow must have sustained winds that are greater than or equal to 35 miles. With snow blowing and being picked up by these winds that travel as much as 1/4 of a mile, or even sometimes less.
Make America great again.
Trump is a bastard.
I think I died a little bit. Oh. No, it's just, never mind. Blizzards last for 3 hours, sometimes even more. 2 to 3 inches. Oh, wait.
2 to 3 inches?
Hey,
that's kind of like having.
Gonzalo, it's time for you to finish your segment. Oh.
Yeah,
Okay, so
put a good 2 minutes. Good 2
have?
minutes in there. 2 minutes, okay?
No, I have to finish mine. Just do a minute.
You do a minute.
Speed run it.
Speak.
So I'm here to talk about safety and precaution.
Precaution?
Precaution. So before a blizzard, you need to pay attention to blizzard warnings, assemble an emergency preparedness kits, create a household evacuation plan, including your pets. Do not exclude your pets, you're gonna die! During that blizzard, don't yell at him. Stay indoors with warm clothes, eat regularly, prevent dehydration, you know the drill.
What's the drill?
I just said the drill.
Oh,
okay, so I'm also going to talk about damages. Blizzard, look at me! Look at when I'm speaking to you. Okay, the damage of blizzards. So enough snow from a blizzard can bury a car, block roads, and can even make the roof collapse because it's so much weight. It can also break up power lines, cause roofs to collapse. In Illinois, blizzards cost $1.9 billion in damage each year. Hey Riley, we're gonna burn these clothes afterwards, right? Yeah. Okay, good. 2 to 3 inches.
They told me I couldn't do it.
January 26th, January 27th, 1967. A blizzard left 50,000 cars stranded in the streets, completely buried. Of course, the airports were closed. There was more than 10 feet of snow drifts, which are like little mountains that get formed by the wind.
42 seconds.
The runway. We could go a little over. It's all good.
No, there's only 43 seconds left of memory.
Okay, oh god. Kids have to stay in school because they couldn't leave because there's so much snow and they're caved in. Helicopters brought relief supplies. 26 people died, including a man ran over by a snowplow. No!
I mean, no.
That's not a yay.
I thought you said survived.
20 seconds. Including a man who was run over by a snowplow and a 10-year-old girl who was shot in crossfire between looters and police. Across the Midwest, 58 people were killed in a storm.
3 more seconds.
Oh God!
Ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. Ocean man, the voyage to the corner of the globe is a real trip. Ocean man, freezes up the sand and imbibed by the sand, soaking up the thirst of the land.
I didn't know her onesie for long, but from what I know, it was a man of God.
Dude, I'm keeping the rest of it.
This onesie was a good Muslim onesie.
Good Muslim.
He paid his respects to Allah every Saturday. Or is it Friday?
Friday.
Every Friday. For all I know, he has not done anything bad. Hopefully,
I got this.
he got a place in heaven.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi. كل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد لم يكن له كفوا أحد إذا جاء نصر الله فانهض إن الشريك كما هو التواب توبة الصبر. God, that really smells.
It does. God bless America and everybody have a good blizzard
This is what happened.
day.